It's the lowest part of the property, closest part to the access road. An internal road or private driveway would have to be put in here to get up to the building site with ocean view. This would be a good area if someone was to do cabinas with plenty of wildlife around. Here's the main building site, hilltop of the property. I would maybe shave it down a little bit to get a nice flat spot for a house. Slopes down in the back from there. Nice breeze up here. Comes up off the ocean, up the valley. And you're overlooking all of this reserve jungle and out to the Pacific Ocean. Now we're down on a lower building site in the middle of the jungle. This site is best accessed through hiking trail. A road would be tough to get down here. There's also hiking trails all through this jungle, all through the reserve, which owners would be able to enjoy. As you can see, there's some nice flat usable land right here. It'd be great for a guest house, cabinas, more fruit trees, whatever someone wanted.